Hi everyone, Harris here with TechSphere, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert your SIM card into your Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL. So the first thing you want to get is the instruction manuals that come with your phone, and inside of there you should be able to get your SIM ejection tool, which will look like this. Otherwise you can use something like a paperclip, and once you have this you're going to go to the left hand side of the phone, and out towards the top you'll see the tray. You will use the tool to eject the tray, just push it in like that, and then you can pull it out, and this is the tray. Now you will take your SIM card, and for me it fit upside down like this, and then I can slide it back into the phone, just like that. It should accept my SIM card, and I can go into, and there in my network I should see At&t because that's the SIM card that I have, and I can see that right there. So that's all. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments. Make sure to leave this video a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.